Hey everybody, it's Kristina.Lambros with Keller Williams Realty. And yes, it is another day here in paradise and another beautiful day. I hope that this video finds you happy, healthy, and doing as best as you possibly can during these unprecedented times. It is definitely unique what we are experiencing now, but the main thing is to stay positive, stay healthy, and stay happy. Mindset is everything. Feel free to follow us on social media. At this time, we will be doing all of our open houses virtually online, keeping you abreast with what's going on in the market, and just trying to be an active point of contact for you here in the community while working at home, while quarantining and staying healthy. So again, feel free to touch base if you need anything. Our customer appreciation party is on hold and is canceled at this time, but we are trying to work on bringing you unique platforms so that we can stay in touch and stay in communication. So again, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy the rest of your month. For those that celebrate Easter, happy Easter, and have a beautiful, healthy day. See you in April. Bye-bye.